Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a financial rut? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms? It's time to ditch the limiting beliefs and embrace a mindset shift that will empower you to achieve financial success. Let's face it, achieving financial success isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about transforming your mindset, embracing new habits, and taking control of your financial future. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful connection between mindset and financial success, revealing tips to help you unlock your potential. First, let's talk about the mindset shift. Financial success starts with believing you deserve it. It's about shifting from scarcity to abundance, from fear to confidence. Here are some key tips. Challenge limiting beliefs. Are you telling yourself you're not good with money? Replace those negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Embrace a growth mindset. View financial challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to ask for help and seek knowledge. What is your ultimate financial goal? Why are you striving for financial success? Having a clear why will keep you motivated and focused. Visualize success. Imagine yourself living your dream life, financially free and secure. Visualizing your goals helps you attract them. Now let's move on to the practical tips for achieving financial success. These strategies, combined with a positive mindset, will propel you towards your goal. Practical tips for financial success. Budget and track your spending. Know where your money is going. Utilize budgeting tools and apps to gain control. Save regularly. Make saving a habit. Start small and gradually increase your savings rate. Invest wisely. Don't be afraid to invest your money. Research different investment options and choose those that align with your risk tolerance and goals. Reduce debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Look for ways to consolidate or refinance to lower your monthly payments. Increase your income. Explore opportunities to boost your earnings. Consider a side hustle. Negotiate a raise or acquire new skills. Remember, achieving financial success is a journey, not a destination. It requires commitment, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. Embrace the power of a positive mindset. Implement these practical tips and watch your financial future transform. You've got this. Start building your path to financial freedom today. Subscribe for more tips on financial success.